One, two,
One,
three.
two, three. Okay.
You don't have to say one, two, three. Just say hey guys. Hey
One,
guys.
two, three.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna open our box, and you guys are gonna judge whose looks better. Please don't just say Daddy Randall, okay? Like the man, please. Oh, it smells so good. We need scissors. Okay, so look, you use this thing as a base, as a foundation.
This one?
Yeah. And then you use the icing to stick to the sides to make the house stay together.
Okay, Flappa.
Alright, I'm not explaining to you.
I'm not going to look over there, son.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna put the box on the ground.
So what else, Flappa? The night after?
Yeah, they're edible.
Yeah, man.
You're so weird, idiot. It stands in there, you have to use it to glue the walls together.
How are you gonna do that, though?
Yeah, long time man, you're supposed to can build woman. Daddy, stop looking at mine. And why your house look so crooked? Why does your house look so crooked? Your windows are upside down.
That's why you not work so much.
No, it have for the way that works, so you need to use more icing. The more icing, the better it sticks. You know why this is funny to me? Because I know how competitive you are. Those are the windows, so your windows should be upright.
Oh.
Yeah, that's how you put your windows. I'm not tell you again. I'm not telling nothing else. Watch us do this.
Oh, you said inside the roof.
I said this is a roof. Those are the roof. That's the wall.
I think you make me do something wrong.
It's supposed to be fun. Like, stop stressing. It's supposed to be a fun video. You're just doing exactly what I do.
Yeah. Flappa. Flappa. Jesus Christ. Flappa, the house collapse. Flappa.
Why are you telling me that? I can't help you with anything.
Flappa, the house collapse, you know. Jesus. See what? If you can't, I just eat that gingerbread, you know.
No, you just have move rough. No wonder where your house not all up.
Jesus Christ. God, Jesus. Jesus. Flappa! You see, though? That's I not take with you now. Alright.
I'm going to see a bill.
Flappa.
Oh, God. Please, I need to move out of this neighborhood because the houses in these neighborhoods, they're just ghetto. The ghetto. I'm pop the house, they're not the neighborhood. I'll move out today.
You see one thing with you, a bad mind, no, Flappa.
I'm trying to help you.
No.
That makes no sense.
You're not helping me at all.
I'm literally trying to help you.
You said both of us pop down. The way you say both of us nice new is very rough.
I need to get me and my kids out of here. So your back wall I drop over. Good job. Your back wall is busting out though. See it, but don't talk too much. Mind your business, baby girl. Oh, my thing's a little bit off. Backside also.
Jesus Christ. Flappa, you can't go and laugh.
Daddy, no!
So stop laugh then.
Okay, I'm done. Because if you knock
Stop
my
laugh.
house over, I'm
Stop
burning
laugh.
down your real house.
No, stop laugh then, man. Right. Nah, that was until Jesus going to
Hold it until it's solid.
Yeah, was it no?
You don't know that. What's your decoration and blow me out of the park?
Oh, we do. Oh. I'm never what you know all I said, you know. Oh, you take me for fool or what? I said, me lose already, but me have...
Stop being nice. It's supposed to be fun. Okay, what's the best Christmas gift you've ever gotten?
Me don't care what you want. Me can't.
Daddy, we literally, the video is going to be not, like, it's going to be pointless.
What do you mean Christmas
We're
gift?
supposed to talk. What do you mean, what do I mean by Christmas gift? You don't know what a Christmas gift is?
Me don't remember Flappa. Because...
Why is the neighbor talking to me?
Because my house, they can't make money by my house. They can't make no money by your house.
They did tear your house down. That's
No, they want to tear down, buy
They're
it
buying
cheap,
the land.
and tear it down and build again.
They don't have to tear it down, it's tearing itself down.
You want to talk Flappa?
Why?
Look
Look at your house, look at your roof.
No.
Don't you know? Stop buying my business.
No, look no.
Look
I
at your
see you
roof.
take the picture now. See me take the picture.
Your side wall is literally gone.
Gone already. So me can't do again. Now hold up your hands and take the picture. See you again.
Crazy. Leave it standing. I'm a bad mama jama, even in pajamas. Why?
Hurricane coming up?
That is the hurricane.
This hurricane is coming up. So now where is it?
Daddy, just don't make the breeze. Your hurricane breeze come over or something.
Every house have blow down when hurricane. You build up that and that. It will blow down when hurricane
You
come.
see, when you have a house with strong foundation, you don't have to worry as much as some people.
You're spoiled now. You have put up too much things and say spoil. What
Daddy,
what
why are you in my business?
What your house spoil? Me say, if me see you go down, me see, just laugh, rap.
And that's why you see, I'm telling you, in order to win at life, you're not supposed to laugh for other people. You need to want the best for everybody.
Oh, for me, all so long after me not can't catch.
Because you're bad mind.
Let me do it like that and go like it does a whooping back.
Because one of the walls are down.
Like that.
I'm an idiot. The audacity. The audacity. My tree.
I think I was gone, you know. I see why I was gone. I miss him standing.
That yes is not standing.
That's a funny, no? That's not funny at all.
I don't know what you're holding because I'm not standing. I don't know where I would have one on to hopes and dreams at this point. Holding on to hopes and dreams. Look at your hands. Daddy, take the roof off and add the icing. Adding to the gap is not gonna help.
Papa, are you causing it, Papa?
Daddy.
Are you causing it, man? For you tell me to take off the roof.
Okay, let me help you. Your house is so crummy. Okay. Add the icing to here. Don't add it to this, okay? No way to line up. So add it to the sides.
What's coming on now, baby? My God's coming on now, baby.
Ooh. Daddy, me literally help you to completely build your house, and you're still trying to. You'll never win in life.
Let me go shop house.
Absolutely not. I'm not living in that ghetto ass house.
How you have to paint it, you know?
A coat of paint cannot help that ghetto mess. There you go. Good job. To me.
Finally. Finally, house standing.
You're welcome.
Welcome what?
Excuse me?
Welcome what?
Can I get some of your decorations?
No.
Wow!
No.
After all my
No.
help! Alright, don't worry. Don't you worry, boo. Don't you worry, Randallina. Oh, I should have brought the napkins over here.
That's it. Strong, you know? Flappa, break me yours and build on again. See it? Things are going to me now. Things are going to me now.
Daddy, if your house looks just like mine, I'm gonna be so mad. I'll knock. Then you can't. We're supposed to be.
No.
If you do it the exact
No,
same.
it's not like
Yeah, you're following my
No.
thing. Daddy.
No.
Daddy, I'll knock your house down.
No.
I swear.
Where you are in,
I
man?
swear to Jesus, I'll knock your house down.
You look worse, man.
Because why are you just looking at mine and doing the same thing?
Why are you worrying like that,
I
man?
literally have to build your house and then decorate it.
Worse, man. Calm, Flappa. You don't like lose, you know. Man, make me go
Your
through.
house looks dirty. Yeah, I got roaches.
Flappa, calm, man.
Wait, I'm done.
Flappa made us a come. Because the way that check now, Flappa.
The weather outside is frightful.
And this, can't you, Flappa, you always know one verse of song, you know. If you sing one more song.
You're literally mad because you don't know the next line. Come, the weather outside is frightful.
And you la 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 la
So
la,
delightful. Since there's no place to go.
Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow.
Since there's no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Oh, what promise is to end, and I can't in a song. Oh, jingle
Okay,
bell,
we're gonna do that back.
jingle
Jingle bell, jingle all the way.
way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open. You went to play.
Jingle bell.
Lord. Oh, sorry, that's not a Christmas song.
Oh, Flappa, you loser.
Look who's talking. Imagine I helped you. You are literally the most ungrateful person I've ever met.
Lucky.
Ever met. Just pray that doesn't cave in because I would not help you again. You're supposed to finish it. Look at God. Look at God. Just gonna play about me now. You're gonna learn one way or the other. You don't play about me, honey. Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Dancing all the way. Laughing all the way.
Ah, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow.
Making gingerbread house.
On a one-horse
With my bread down for me.
on a one-horse open sleigh. Oh,
Oh, your voice sounds so rough. And you not make gingerbread properly.
jingle bell, you're gonna be in a home.
It's can't see me out and go.
You're welcome.
What?
For what is crazy? It is ungrateful.
Yeah, go to the bathroom.
Hey, you're mad! You must be out of your mind. He just told me I had to cut out the part where I helped him. Crazy, Randall. I want him to see how ungrateful you are.
Flappa, you know something better than you,
That's good.
You also don't look like that, but you have more style.
Okay.
Flappa, you're a loser.
I've never done this before. It's cute.
Flappa, you're a loser. Flappa, you're a loser.
Your roof is sliding.
Me tell you.
I'm gonna turn it to the camera. My gingy man is gonna fall.
Turn into the camera.
This is mine.
And this is the
It
Randall.
looks so pretty.
It looks so beautiful.
I have my gingerbread man. I have my tree. My house looks so beautiful.
And this my house. I have to do some more repair on it soon.
Okay, so I need you guys to vote in the comments.
And vote who can do some more improvement.
No. Whose house looks best? Whose house are you coming over for Christmas? Are you going to the...
How
Or are
can
you
you
coming-
see?
Oh, my gingerbread man, Phil.
But remember, it's not all a nice house of all nice things. Sometimes it's some old house.
Your house is leaking.
Some house having lots more things inside. When you go
That is
inside,
all supposed to be about decoration.
this is an
Because
old.
ain't nothing inside your house.
This is an old great house.
House.
Great house. This is an old great house.
My finished product. You guys are welcome at any time. You know the food here is popping. That does not look safe.
No, this is looks safe because in the
Okay, so then let go of it then.
yeah, you see the hurricane. Remember, when you're buying a house to make money,
That it's supposed to be based on decorations, like putting the house together, decorations. That's it. No speech needed. Don't try to sway them. No, just look at the just look at the house and tell us your honest opinion. You can still love Daddy Randall and have him lose.
so what are you talking about me from?
No, because
so I cannot say nothing.
you said so much about
No, don't say nothing
buy
about my
it.
house.
It's not about, where's your gingerbread man? Where's your tree? Nothing.
No. It's not
That looks like a crack.
So remember,
Oh Lord.
when you're buying a house, you buy a house to make money. Pretty house is very expensive.
Gingerbread house decorating kit. Decorating for fun and for who wins, not for build up.
No?
No.
Okay, Papa.
Okay.
Last speech, Papa. You want to say?
I really hope you guys enjoy this. This is one of our first, because I want to do a Christmas baking, bake off with him. So like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be over here a lot more, at least twice a week with different videos. You can definitely leave us video ideas as well.
And please don't left no more.
Daddy?
Don't left no more house for me.
No, anything you guys want us to do.
Okay. Flappa. You know, this is a great house in the Flappa. Great house have a lot of light, Flappa. Flappa, why are you breaking down, Flappa? Okay, Flappa.
Anyways, until next time.
Daddy Randall say, happy.
Bye.
Bye.